Okay, so I just want to make a quick video to show you guys that you guys don't have to spend a lot of money on one of those filters that they put on your car, or they sell for like 50, 80 bucks or nothing else like that. You know, it's just dumb. Besides that, what I would say is go to AutoZone, get you one of these type of filters. If your turbo housing is a 3 inch, you can use this ring right here, and you can clamp it down. If not, if it's like about a 4 inch, like how mine is, pull this rubber out, and now when you sit it on top of the turbo, this is going to act as a seal right here. So you would take this thing, put it on top right here. This is actually really good for the GoPro. Has a mount on top and a mount on bottom. These are like $15 on eBay. Get some light up in here so you guys can see. Now you guys can see it, I guess. See? Right here acts as a seal. Yeah, obviously. Look. Okay. So this is what I got. This is just like, I had to fold it up for a long time. I would have to take a piece from over here. This is screened for like mosquitoes and stuff. It's really cheap. See what it looks like. I'm gonna cut right here, but I can't hold the camera, so hold on a second. Show you guys a quick example. This is the piece that I cut. All right. It'll be just like this. And obviously you would have to press it down, and then you can clamp it on with this thing. Hold on. And that's what the end product should look like. But I'm not done. I have to cut out all this extra stuff. I can't even stick my hand in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I guess like that you guys can see the most. Now what you would do with a scissor is obviously cut off this excess stuff that you don't need over here. But that's what it looks like. So don't go and spend $50 for no reason, $80 buying one of those clamps, and you can buy yourself a $20 filter from this thing. Hope you enjoyed the idea. I just got to put this thing on. That's it. I would have put it on right now, but that thing is too tight up in there. So I'm just showing you an example for the video. Hope you enjoyed it.